Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of My Perfumes. House of My Perfumes is another Middle Eastern perfume house from United Arab Emirates, and lately they've been making amazing fragrances, especially for the price. And this lineup is from the higher tier or luxury lineup, and it's called Arabiyat Prestige, and I unboxed and reviewed a few of their fragrances and they're all fantastic. So they're up their game basically for the last couple of years or a year or so. This one in particular called Blueberry Musk, so it's 100 ml Eau de Parfum Blueberry Musk from their Arabiyat Prestige lineup. As you can see, is a cylindrical box. It's quite thick cardboard. It's got the details and attention everywhere. And this one is targeted unisex. So let's see how it goes. Sorry about the noise. So very nice box, very thick cardboard. As always, presentation for the price, amazing. This one in United Kingdom you can find it under £40, and okay, so wow, beautiful bottle, very heavy bottle, very nice design to it. This Middle Eastern or Islamic design, beautiful. And it says Blueberry Musk is 100 ml, very heavy bottle, very thick. The cap is heavy and it's about 300 grams, very thick, and it's got Arabiyat Prestige on top. Attention to details is amazing. So this one is 100 ml Eau de Parfum, and atomizer is modern and gold. And here we go. Very good atomizer, fantastic. So far so good. Arabiyat Prestige Blueberry Musk. Wow, it's filling the room. Here we go. How is the first impression? Ooh, sexy, beautiful. So first thing that hits me is the musk. It's very musky, and the musk here is very clean. So very clean musk, and no alemanic, none of those. It's very clean. It's very appealing. It's very inviting. It's very uplifting. It's very sexy. Definitely rose. So big rose in here. Very aromatic. So I'm expecting it to be lavender, maybe even violet leaf. As it says, blueberry is very fruity, and the fruit smells like blueberry. Amazing. How do they make that? How do they manage to do that? So it smells like a blueberry cake basically, or blueberry ice cream. It's very delicious. It's very gourmand. So I can smell some tartiness. Probably there is some citruses in the beginning, maybe bergamot and lemon, but it's not big. But right away you go to that beautiful blueberry plus a little bit of tangy. Maybe there is another berry in here to make it that tangy, because blueberry doesn't have that tanginess. So maybe if it's a raspberry or even strawberry in here. Definitely vanilla in the base. The vanilla, again, it's a combination of the vanilla and the blueberry and the rose, making it very delicious and very gourmand. So this is a very gourmand fragrance, and overall it is unisex to my nose. Is bang in the middle, but it leans a little bit feminine because of that big rose in here. Also the fruitiness and also the musk and the vanilla together, giving it a little bit of feel of femininity. So I would say 60% feminine and 40% masculine. But that blueberry is gorgeous. Goodness me, absolutely beauty. So the combination of little bit of citrus in the beginning, and straight away to that blueberry, plus maybe a little bit of raspberry or strawberry, because it's very, very berry like. Very delicious, very gourmand combination of that rose plus a little bit of either lavender or violet leaves to give it an aromatic feel, which is amazing. It's lifting it again. And also in the base we have that vanilla, which is making it very smooth and rounded, plus it's lifting everything up and is giving it that sweetness. From the 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 8 to 9, so it's very, very sweet. So you need to like your sweet fragrances, but it's done to perfection. Beautiful. It's a balanced work in here. The balance is amazing, and it's very inviting. It's very sexy. It's very delicious. It's very mesmerizingly gorgeous. Beautiful rose in here. I'm not sure. It's got a little, that rose has got a little bit of like jamminess to it, which adds to the deliciousness of this beautiful scent. So overall, everything is in here, giving you that gourmand feel, plus that delicious, that sexiness, that uplifting, very, very inviting, very, very sexy feel to it. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, very well done, very balanced, very smooth, very rounded, no harshness, no alcohol, very straight to the perfume. And this is the Arabiyat Prestige. And under £40, this is a bargain, because it smells much more expensive than 40, at least 3-4 times what I paid for, or at least what you're going to pay for it, because they send me this for review, and I was always, this is my opinion, and also this is not affiliated, this is not sponsored, just information, pure information for you guys, okay? It's got a tiny bit of chocolatiness to it as well. Again, it adds to that gourmand. So vanilla, yes, gourmand. Chocolatiness, yes, gourmand. Blueberry, maybe even strawberry in here, gourmand. And that musk is lifting everything and making everything together, round everything together, plus giving it that very inviting feel. Very inviting, very soft, and very balanced. Everything is done in here in perfection. Oh, that rose is gorgeous. The rose is a little bit on the jammy side, but again, is with a mix of everything else, it just makes sense. And also a little of aromaticness from lavender or violet leaf. Holy moly, what a smell. Little bit of woodiness in the base, tiny bit of wateriness as well, probably is coming from the musk, but mamma mia, amazing, absolutely, yes, yes, I'm loving it. This is a true gem. And if you like gourmand, if you like beautifully with berries, most likely to be raspberry, or maybe what's his name, strawberry, blueberry, definitely in here. Little of chocolatiness, musk to give everything, lift everything up. Little of woodiness in the background, not much, just tiny bit. But that musk and vanilla are working here together very well. It doesn't remind me of anything particular. It's quite unique, but overall it reminds me of House of Narciso Rodriguez. So if Narciso Rodriguez done something in that vein, like say blueberry, raspberry, strawberry with musk, it should be smelling like this. Or this one is smelling better than the Rodriguez. I smelled few Rodriguez in my life, and this one in terms of quality smells much better than that one. Okay guys, so this was the first impression of Blueberry Musk by Arabiyat Prestige, 100 ml, Eau de Parfum, targeted unisex. But as I said, it's, to me, it is a bit feminine. In terms of age, this is ageless because it's so delicious. Anybody can wear it from 15 to 150. In terms of age, in terms of occasion, this is definitely going out, special occasion, evening, formal occasion, because it's very delicious. It's very sexy. In terms of season, this is all year round. In warmer weather, less sprays. In cooler weather, more sprays. At the moment, it's feeling the room, feeling the house. It's very, very strongly projecting. And in terms of value for money, absolutely yes, I'm loving it. It's just beautiful fragrance, very, very well done. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they're hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my own fragrances and support me that way, plus get something beautiful in return, yes, I'm a perfumer myself, I'll make my own line of perfumes. They call the scent of Persia. The reason is because the ingredients are come from my country, Iran, Persia, and they are one of the best ingredients, perfume ingredients in the world, if not the best. We don't produce that much, it's just a small amount, and that's why I bring them here, mix them together, and give the community back something beautiful, that very unique, very artistic. Nobody else is making perfumes like this. Plus they are mesmerizingly beautiful. They are very, very mysterious fragrances, 100% natural, amazing value for money, and they are ultra beast mode. Okay, I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye bye bye.